and we're going. Good morning, everybody, on this Labor Day. We've got a Dynasty Shocker SFT to show you today. Pretty much had to do everything on this gun. Apparently sat for around 8 to 10 years. They had the detents in the wrong spot. One of the detents was missing and the other one was trashed. It was trashed and in the wrong location because there's a short and a long. Rebuilt all the O-rings on the body. Rebuilt the reg, obviously. Had to replace the piston puck. Anyway, let's shoot it. Air's up, no problem. .305. I'll back it off a bit before I send it back. Let's go. Here we go, it's going back. It's a fantastic shooter. And looking good while doing so. Thanks a lot, guys.